Hey guys, it's Luke, and today we are playing Airplane Free, and it's another story game in Roblox. Yeah, we're gonna join the most. Yes, we played this on my previous channel. Well, we already entered the game, and we're off. Airplane Free story. Okay, we just made into the main room. That's our captain over there. Guess we can't. Those change. Okay, yeah, never mind. We can. Alright. Welcome, everyone. You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. Yeah, I'm the Robloxia State's Army. Oh, okay, makes sense. You can call me General. Okay, no. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order, or else you will be expelled from the team. Now, please take a seat. Okay, I already took a seat. Oh, those guys. Oh, that guy's gonna get expelled. Come on, hurry up, sit down. You're gonna get expelled. Okay, let's get to the point. Alright. What's the point? Oh, is that? This is our target. His name is Ronald. We have investigated and all known he is a dangerous Robloxian. Oh god. What did he do? That is where we are heading. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. No. Oh no! Everyone in that plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. We will find Ronald and bring him to justice. Alright. But how will we get to the plane? Hey. Good question. Follow me. Oh. Who played the first? Everyone ready? Yep. Going down. We're going down. Whoa. Look like everyone played the first two plane stories. Going down. Oh wow. That's how we'll get to it. Airplane story. Oh, if that guy's AFK, he's gonna die. Welcome to the military cave. That is how we are going to get to save the airplane from Rockwold. But first, let's get everyone set up. Okay, no one is leaving this place without a military outfit. And please take one behind you. Already took one. Everyone needs a military. Alright, well, already it seems like looking good. I believe we are ready. Now let's check the system. Checking the plane. Okay. He's checking the plane. What? Not enough fuel. Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel. Oh no. We will need to find fuel. We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. That is the fuel nozzle. There's 4 of them around the cave. I need you to help me connect the connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. I will fill the tank once we are in place. Let's go. Yeah, that's pretty. On that one, I'm gonna go for this one. Oh, never mind, he got it. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go for the other one. Oh, never mind, everyone got it. Like, I didn't even get to help out. Okay. Excellent. All nozzles are connected. Filling the tank now. Filling tank. Nope, the tank is... Ah, now we are ready. Alright. Now, I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. Oh look, he will be our pilot through this mission. Well, hello there, Pilot Clark. System is ready, General. And who's that other guy? Please start the engine, Pilot. Starting the engine. And by the way, we are taking a trip to Niagara. And yeah, we have to go back. Engine's ready. We will have to go back to school next week, so opening back door. Okay, yeah, I have to watch it. I don't want to get hit. Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door. Yeah, I'm gonna sit by the guy. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, we are taking a trip to Niagara Falls. This is like the second time we went to Niagara Falls and the first time we went to Canada. Yes. First 2 times were in 2019. Closing door. Prepare for takeoff. Good luck, soldiers. Oh no, that person died. Yep, a lot of people are dying. We are now flying in the kidnapped plane direction. Alright, great. Even though we still have a few hours until we get there. There's something about this Ronald guy. What about him? At first sight, he looks like a good person. Why would he do something like that? General? What are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Here, everyone have a banana. You might need energy for later. Wait! Don't eat the banana! It's poisoned! Oh no, I ate it already. What? Haha, I'm just kidding. It's only a prank. Oh, that's not funny, General. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. Anyways, we will be flying a few more hours. You might as well chill or take a nap. Alright, I will wake you up when it's time. I'm sorry about the yawning I did. Alright. Oh. Time to wake up, everyone. It's nighttime, and looks like we are inside a storm. Oh god. We need to be ready in case we have to. General, we were struck by lightning. Our right motor is in great danger. Does that mean we will die? Oh no, this better not happen. Okay, everyone, chill. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me while I'm there. Wait! Out there? Is this the purple? This is so scary. The storm is getting worse. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Just need to cover him. No! Cover me and try not to get struck by lightning. Where is he? Oh god. Yeah, those red spots mean that it's struck by lightning. We have to look out. So stay away from the red. Don't stand on the red or anything. Oh god, the red's getting me. You never know where it's gonna go. So you always have to keep moving. That's a fact, guys. If you ever play this game, then you always have to keep moving. Even if you're lightning part. But like I said, we are taking a trip to Niagara Falls. And after our last one, we'll go back to doing videos on weekends. The motor is fixed now. As can't post on weekdays during school days. So to get back to school, we'll go back to doing weekdays. I never seen such a strong storm. But he did it, at least. And I didn't die. And these guys too. Ah! What is that? Oh god, it's a skeleton. You will stop this fate! I mean... Burn! Fire! Quickly! Inside the plane! Oh god, not good. Pilot! Is everything okay? Where's the skeleton? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you are talking about. What the? The giant skeleton? We didn't see no skeleton, General. Never mind. Let's keep moving. We are almost there. Alright, I think we're near. General, we are finally here. Perfect. Everyone pay close attention. Okay. Okay. We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. Okay. We need to get everyone out safely before we go after Ronald. Okay. Once we are in there, we just have one chance. Good luck, soldiers. Oh god. Okay, we just get on just like that. This is it. We are in the plane. It looks like Ronald covered the door. Yep, looks like it. I wanted to do this my whole life. Oh no! We better hurry! Check the storage. If we can see anything to open this door. Oh, there's just cheese. Great, you found a hammer. Ooh, that will work. Okay. Smash this door down. Oh, and... Yep, we smashed the door down. Let's head in. Oh, no. It's over, Ronald. How did you get here? Wow, look what we have to do. There is no time to go after him. We need to save everyone out of the plane first. Alright. Untie everyone before time runs out. Okay, yeah. Alright. Maybe. Alright, one more. General, I inform you all noobs are now safe in the aircraft. Great. But there is still one left. The captain. Oh, the captain, yeah, I knew it. Yes, of course, we forgot about that. This is it. We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald. Who wants to be the hero? Step in front of the captain door. I will do it. Alright. We trust you, my Gloro 5. Alright, they trust me. Ronald, open the door! Hey, Ronald, you better... We can work this out! Ronald, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. Okay, I'm gonna do it's over. You're going to jail. It's over, Ronald. You are going to jail for doing this. It's too late for that. God, no. General! The captain room is burning! There's no time. The plane is about to explode. Take this parachute. Parachute. I totally. But General, what about Ronald and the captain? They're already dead. We need to leave or we will not make it out alive. What? Make us go back from here? The back emergency door is open. We need to get there and jump. Oh yeah, we're doing it. To infinity and beyond. Okay, to land at that exact place. I don't know why it wouldn't make us go faster. Okay, we're almost there. And we made it! Woohoo! Okay. Officially did it. General Pinocchio, we are glad everyone made it back. Not everyone. We lost the captain and Ronald. It's a shame we lost the captain. Ronald died as a bad person. At least he won't haunt anyone else. Oh, really? Everything went according to the plan. But don't worry, my child. Oh no, he's gonna turn him into a monster. Oh. You will have your revenge. Oh, that's how he became the monster. We did it. That's the story of how he became a monster. Alright, we're back in the lobby, so hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!